Hi, I'm Sam Lewis, and I work on the CoreTech marketing team, and I have 0 years experience installing floors.
Hi, I'm Lamarta Faulkner. I work with the Field Technical Services Group, and I have approximately 30 years flooring experience.
So, a lot more than me. Let's say I'm installing the throughout space in my home. What are my options for putting CoreTech floors up the stairs?
Okay, so we have a couple of different options you can use there. For your stairs themselves, generally speaking, this full-size stairs tread will work for any stair application. This tread is 48 inches wide, so any stair that's less than that width, that tread will work. So this tread comes pre-cut with a return on both sides. So if you have an open-sided step, this tread can be used with a return here to close that in. If you have a landing on that set of steps, we have what we call a flush mount stair nose that will be used on the landing in conjunction with the actual plank itself.
Okay.
So that's the two combinations you can use for any stair application that you may have.
And I noticed that this piece, will you tell me what this one is called again?
This is a flush stair nose.
A flush stair nose. So it looks like it has a groove built into the back here that would be for locking into or joining together with
So
with
what
an
that's
existing
designed
plank.
to do is on the plank itself, this groove edge here is designed to sit right under that groove, just like that.
Okay.
It doesn't actually lock in, but it kind of keeps it flush.
Okay. And now how do we get this on the stairs? Does it float, or do we need to adhere it?
No, these will have to be fully adhered to your stair or your subfloor. We would recommend just using our Shaw Lockworks TTT adhesive that comes in a small tube and a large tube. That would be used to adhere the stair nosing and or the stair tread down.
Awesome. Okay. Well, this seems like two really great solutions. And you said again, this one is 48 inches wide. So
Yes.
if we're longer than that, this would be the time you would use this solution.
Yeah, so if you have a stair that's longer than 48 inches, you could use the stair tread, which comes in a 94-inch piece. So it could be cut to fit your stair as needed.
Awesome. All right. Well, do you think we could take a moment to look at an actual installation example?
Yes.
Okay, let's go.
Okay, so here we have a stair mock-up that was built to demonstrate the stair nosing and the stair tread using the same set of steps. So this would represent your steps coming up with an open end on one side, and this would represent a landing that would be up your steps that is used the flush mount stair nose to make that turn along with the actual plank itself. These are put on with the Shaw TTT adhesive, and you'd limit your foot traffic for approximately 2 hours after installation to allow that glue to bond properly and not allow any slippage.
And I can see, we have the return right here that we spoke about just a minute ago, and it's not on here, so you've just simply cut off this end, I guess.
That's correct.
Okay.
So you just cut that piece off on that side to match your wall.
Okay. And then this joint right here, this was done with a miter saw?
Yes, so all these cuts were made with a miter saw, so make sure you have a nice clean cut and that matches up nicely.
Okay. And now, is there anything here you can that you should be looking for to make sure that you've done it correctly?
Obviously, you want to be a nice tight installation. When your cuts, you want to have a nice clean edge. As long as everything's glued down securely, you should be good.
Okay. Well, it's definitely beautiful, and I can imagine with the coordinating floor below and above, it would be a nice seamless look. Thanks, Lamarta, for walking us through all this information today.
You're welcome.
And thank you for watching.